Hello, welcome to the another video of this channel. I have had to learn many things of the YouTube video making process, and one of those things is designing the YouTube thumbnail. So today I am going to show you how to design the YouTube thumbnail using a software called Figma. It has a web app and it has a desktop app. Now to design a YouTube thumbnail, you have some paid software and you have some free software. And among those free stuffs, I have liked Figma most because you have the full freedom to design it as the way you want. So first I am going to show you what the Figma is, and then we'll design the YouTube thumbnail using Figma. The very YouTube thumbnail that is used for this video, I'll show it to you. So let's dive in. Before jumping into the design of YouTube custom thumbnail, first we look into the requirements of designing a YouTube custom thumbnail. I am now looking into the support guide and I will post this link under the video description. In this page, we will go to image size and resolution section, and here we will see that a YouTube custom thumbnail should be of resolution of 1280 into 720. It should have a image format of JPG, GIF or PNG. The size should be under 2 MB limit, and it is highly recommended to have aspect ratio of 16:9. We will design a custom thumbnail that actually meets all of this requirement. Here we're seeing the Figma canvas. If you go to figma.com and log in, then after successful login, you will be redirected here. So first we'll need to build a frame that actually has the size 1280 to 720. So let's do that. To create a frame, click here and just drag this plus icon, and the frame will be built, but you need to adjust the size. To adjust the size in the right panel, you go to width 1280 and height should be 720. Now we need to place a image here. To place a image, click this hamburger icon, then go to file and click place image. I'll first place this image, then I'll place this Figma icon. So first for this image, click open and now click here. Now I'll adjust the image inside the frame. So from here you select the cell photon layer. I'll renaming it. Yes. Now drag it. You will see that there is some white space under images. To get around this, we will increase the size of our image and make sure that this layer is selected. So let's increase the size by 2. You will notice that our height is also increasing proportionately because our setting is as such. Now I will again try to adjust the image so that it fills all the place and no white space is seen. So yes, it's perfect. The next step is to place another image, that is Figma icon. I'll place here, but it will take a technique to place this. So first we'll duplicate this layer. So copy it. Yes. Now we'll rename it to Figma icon. And we select this Figma icon and then we'll import or place the icon. So select icon again and place here. Now take this cell and first we'll resize this Figma icon. Now thing is that we can't see our photo, the first we imported. To see the photo, we will change the stack of the layer. Yes, now we see the photo, but actually our photo got resized. So actually this should be named the cell photo. And this is Figma icon. Now let's again now take the Figma icon top and now resize it. Yes, now you see that our Figma icon is in the top layer, our cell photo is in a bottom layer. Now we will place this icon here, so we need to resize it. To resize it, say just put it here. I think this is about right. Let's increase the width a bit, like 90. Yeah, so this is right. Now it's perfectly fits inside my two fingers. Next step is write a text. So we select. So we'll write the text design YouTube video thumbnail. Design YouTube video so now we'll increase the font size because it's too small, so let's give it the 75 size. Yes, now we have some typo here. We can change font from here, Roboto, but I use Lato. You can choose any one of from this list. So let's select Lato. There's a lot of font you can see. Lato. Next thing we will do, we will draw a box. We will make this text white, and there will be a black box that actually sits behind this white text. So let's draw that black box first. The trick is to select a rectangle here. And we can't see the text because this rectangle layer sits top of this text. So we'll drag it to the bottom. Yeah, now you see, because the text layer is not top of this rectangle, so we can see the text and also this box. Now let's edit this box. I want it to be colored black, pitch black, and we can actually reduce the opacity to 40%. Yes, Now let's adjust the size a bit so it looks a bit nicer. I'll make this box to the top, attach to the top. Now for the text, let's make it white. And you can also choose many colors from here. So now let's group this layer. It's very useful to group the layer so that you accidentally don't change, don't make any unintended change to your any design elements. So let's do that. So let's rename this layer so that we can easily understand what it is. Design YouTube background. Now to group this layer, hold your Control key and select the layer you want to group, then right click and select this group selection. So here it is, the selection is grouped, and now we can see all of your group's children or all of the elements that make up this group. Now second text we can we want to write, that is with Figma. So for this I will again select the text and we will write with Figma, and we want to do the same thing that we did for this design YouTube text, that is draw this background. So again select this rectangle and draw here and make this rectangle there under this with Figma text, then make it pitch black and control the opacity. Here it is. Now let's make this color white. Now this looks bit off, so what we want to do, we want to make, so we want to actually make it look like that these two boxes actually together. So let's move this up. Let's see. Okay, so first I forgot to group this selection, so let's group it. First rename it with Figma background. Now again group it, right click here and group selection. So it's now group 2. Now we can move this top. See, yes, so this is it. So you know, in right, yes, so you have seen couple of times that I have mistaken my selection. So this is something you want to keep it right, that is select the right element that you want to edit or you want to work on. Now next thing we want to do, we want to export it. To export this design, click this frame and click export, and you can see the preview of our design. From export we have sizes like 1x, 2x and 3x. So we'll select the 1x, and now we're going to select the PNG from here. So we'll click the export frame 1 and we need to the location. So our file is saved, you see. Now we'll open the file and here it is. Here it is, the YouTube custom thumbnail that we designed just right now. This is how you design YouTube custom thumbnail using Figma. It seems like easy, right? I'm still learning Figma. This is my only second time I have used Figma to design the thumbnail for my YouTube video. Hope you have found this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.